Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is eira, snow. Eira. As in, mae'n bwrw eira. It's snowing. Eira. Snow.